In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and launch an email campaign in Mailercloud. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in and start your campaign. First, log into your Mailercloud account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Create Campaign in the top right corner. Step 2. Fill in the campaign details. Now let's set up the details of your campaign. Start by giving your campaign a name, something that helps you recognize it later. Next, add a subject line that's clear and engaging. You can write one yourself or use the AI-powered subject line generator to get smart suggestions in just one click. This tool helps create subject lines that are optimized for higher open rates. Then, choose your from ID. This is the email address your recipients will see, so make sure it's a verified sender. Now add your sender name. This is what will show up in their inbox. If you want replies to go to a specific email, enter it in the reply to address field. This step is optional, but it helps if you want to manage responses more effectively. To keep things organized, you can add a campaign tag. This helps with tracking and reporting later. And finally, we have the email pre-header. This is the little preview text that appears next to your subject line in inboxes. You can enable it to add a short, catchy message to boost your email open rates. Once that's all set, let's move on to designing the email. Step 3. Design your email. Mailercloud gives you several options so you can pick what works best for you. You can choose a ready-made template from the gallery. If you prefer a simple format, the rich text editor is a great choice. Want something more custom? Use the drag and drop editor for easy customization. For full creative control, paste in your own HTML code. And if you want interactive emails, try AMP emails. For this tutorial, I'll go with a template to make things quick and easy. Step 4. Select your audience. Reaching the right audience is super important for a successful campaign. In Mailercloud, you can add up to 150 contact lists, 20 segments, and 150 tags to organize your recipients. Use up to 5 custom conditions like engagement level, location, or attributes to target the right people. Also, you can exclude up to 150 contact lists, 20 segments, and 150 tags to make sure your emails don't go to the wrong people. You can also use up to 5 conditions to remove specific contacts based on their attributes. Once you have selected the contacts, on the right side of the screen, you'll see the estimated contacts count. This updates automatically based on your selections, so you always know exactly how many people will receive your email. Step 5. Set frequency capping. To avoid overwhelming your subscribers, Mailercloud lets you limit how many emails a contact receives within a certain period. You can set this up in Account Settings under Preferences. This way, you make sure you're not over-emailing your audience. Step 6. Apply sending limits. If you want to control how many contacts receive your email, you can set a sending limit under Additional Settings. Choose whether to send emails to the first or last selected contacts. Then specify the maximum number of recipients for this campaign. This is super helpful when you're doing batch sending for better engagement. Step 7. Choose when to send. Now let's decide when you want to send your email. You have a few options. Send later. Schedule your email for a specific date and time. Send now. Your email will be delivered instantly. Slice and send. Spread out your email deliveries over multiple time slots. The Slice and Send feature in Mailercloud enhances email delivery by distributing campaign sends over multiple time slots. Choose the number of sending slots, up to 30. Set the preferred sending times for each slot. Adjust based on audience behavior and past engagement trends. This helps improve email deliverability, reduces bulk overload, and increases engagement rates. Step 8. Review and publish. Alright, before we hit send, let's do a final check. Make sure your campaign details are correct. Double check your audience selection. Remember to look at the estimated contacts. Review your schedule settings to make sure your email goes out at the right time. Everything looks good? Awesome. Now, click Publish Now, and your email is officially on its way. And that's it. You've successfully created and launched an email campaign in Mailercloud. Now just keep an eye on your campaign performance, analyze the insights, and use that data to improve your future emails. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!